Welcome to Oz Nomad Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Beck, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country. For notifications, click subscribe and hit the bell, and that will keep you up to date.
So we've just spent a couple of days at Balgal Beach. It's a nice little beachside camp. It's also run by Townsville Shire Council. It's free, it's right on the beachfront. It's got a whole heap of plus things for you. Let me show you around. So down the beach there we've got a netted area and it's safe to swim in because there's no crocodiles. Not sure about the stingers, you need to check the sign above that. It's a good walking beach. I went for a hike down there this morning and back. It was good. The sand was easy going. There were bits of coral all the way down the beach. The netted area was large and in really good condition, and we went for a swim mid-morning at 3/4 tide. I'm not sure how much water would be left in it at low tide. And then up here on the foreshore, let me show you around. There's a really good playground for the kids. Yes, I have been on that. There's a shower for when you come back from up the beach. Running cold water. There's a really nice picnic area down the end of this park. Underneath all these trees. Been on that. Was fun. There's pathways, I won't walk all the way down there, but there's pathways all the way through the trees. There's water taps, rotundas. Kind of goes out onto a little peninsula down to a creek. And then over here, we've got a gym. Yes, been on that as well. Very early this morning when no one was up, so no one could see me fall off any of it. Over here we've got 2 picnic huts. Now, I'm not sure if anybody's told you, but on the end of these 2 gas barbecues is a power point for you to charge your laptop and your phone. That was plus because we got here and both of ours were flat. So then down towards the campgrounds, there is a pub fish and chip shop straight across the road. Serves up a good feed of fish and chips and looks out over the creek, which will take you down to the pontoon and show you the creek. And we did do a bit of a fish on there last night. That was good as well. There goes old Ed down there right now to see what's going on at the pontoon. So we'll head down there with him. This restaurant, bar, takeout store is straight across the road from the camping area. It has a sitting area out the front with views over the creek. Here's your sign again that tells you what you can and cannot do and where everything is.
And then that's us parked there. So this is your campgrounds. And they're your bins. And your toilet block. And then this is your campgrounds. There's a tap on the corner of that toilet block for you to fill up your vans. And there's another one over the back. There's a dump point. And then that's the campgrounds. You're allowed to stay here for 2 days every week. And then you've got to move on. We went for a walk down to the creek, which is paved right through the park. When we got down there, the bait fish were getting hammered by something, so it was a quick trip back to the van to grab our rods for a fish. Ed caught a good sized fish, but that was it for the afternoon, and we fished till the sun went down. Balgal Beach is a beachfront camp. It's free. It would possibly hold 8 to 10 campsites. It has toilets, water and a dump point. It has access to a swimming beach, gym, barbecues, kids playground, shady trees, fishing and a boat ramp, and only has one store in town with limited supplies. So bring what you need. We love Balgal Beach. Keep in contact, stay happy, and we'll see you next week.